And you probably will hear roosters in the background because I'm a crazy chicken lady in my other life. Okay, I'm Carla. I'm from Room at the Table. I'm doing an unboxing video of Takenoko. Takenoko was purchased through a grant from Benalla Rural City Council to establish Room at the Table's first board game library. So here we go. And also filming is being done on equipment purchased through a grant from Tomorrow Today Foundation in Benalla as well. Okay, Takenoko. This is a gorgeous game. I have played it a couple of times from friends who have it. And on the back it says, "Long, long ago, the Emperor of China, in a gesture of peace, offered the Emperor of Japan a giant panda. You have been appointed to the delicate task of caring for this politically important panda and tending to the Emperor's illustrious bamboo garden. You must cultivate plots of land using irrigation and intelligence so that bamboo, the only food that the panda will eat, grows in abundance. But beware of the sacred animal's uncontrollable appetite for crunchy young sprouts." There you go. So, what is actually in the box? Oh, when it opens. No? Slowly? We're getting there. Ta-da! Box is open. Alright, these are the instructions with a bit of the story as well. In fact, it looks like we have two sets of instructions. Tells you the story, elements of the game, preparation, playing the game, what the different cards do, objectives. So just so that you can see. A little comic at the front telling you a bit more of the story. And just the information, that kind of thing. It's very simple, very pretty. And my recollection is the instructions are actually they make sense. Sometimes you read through rule books. Well, I read through rule books and I have no idea. So, anyway, that looks like just two copies of that. There's a little, probably other games in here. Yes, other games. Look at that later. Lots of things to pop out. So, these are the different lands that you have to grow your bamboo on. So let's see. I'll just move things because I don't have a lot of space, being as I'm doing this at home, and we're out of lockdown now, but so we can take all this studio equipment back. But I thought, well, hey, while I've still got it here, I'll do some more videos. And you probably will hear roosters in the background because I'm a crazy chicken lady in my other life. Okay, trying to get things out without, oh, okay, I've already popped one out. There you go. Without intending to. So more. And we've also bought a whole lot of card sleeves. So for all the different games that we've also got card sleeves that we will be using to try and keep our cards and other component pieces good for a long time. So there's different things, and we've got these are what you use to keep record of what moves you're doing in the rounds and what pieces you're collecting and going to use to grow your bamboo. So that's the back of it, where you put it down in front of you and put all the pieces on. And there's enough for 4 players, because I think I said 2 to 4 players. And then we have, look, isn't this cute? There is a little panda and a little gardener. Whoop. Let's see if I can hold them in my fingers. There they are. And I do know that there is an expansion where you can get a little panda girl so he can have a girlfriend. There we go. So baggies full of bits. These are, let me see if I can get some of these things out. Haha. These little things here are your irrigation channels. So therefore piping water to areas of the garden that don't have access to water. These are the pieces that indicate the different things that you're doing. And then this dice. This dice has a few. If I can open this. I have opened this. It should be fine. Take out the little silicone gel thing. You roll this dice and it tells you what is happening at the time, whether it's an abundant summer, it's windy, it's raining, that kind of thing. And there's little Panda Cards. These are, I think these are your goal cards. I can't remember, but you know, when we do there's the other side. When we do a video on how to play and how to set it up, that kind of thing, we'll go through that then. And these are the bamboo that you grow. So there's pink bamboo, there's yellow bamboo, and there's green bamboo. And they match the colours of the gardens in here. So, let me find a garden. Here we go. There's a yellow one and there's a green one on it as well. So you grow the green bamboo on the green garden and the yellow bamboo on the yellow garden. Just put this back. And is there anything underneath this plastic inserty thing? No. Nothing else in the box. Alright, so there we go. That is Takenoko unboxed. And I will see you again in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.